Hello everyone, this is Rick Darlington. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add into your PDF document for free online with the Smallpdf, which is one of the best free online PDF editor. To start with, I will just add a PDF document to this online tool. So first of all, you could just add a PDF file from your device, such as your Windows or Mac, even from the Dropbox Max or from your Google Drive. Here I will choose a PDF I just prepared under my desktop called the PDF editor. So as you can see, it's the online PDF editor, which means you could edit it online directly. So now, first of all, let's just check some basic features. This is the draw function. You could just draw something easily as you wish, and you could change the color or as well as the shape, something like this. If you want to delete the content, just tap on this button. And now the second feature is the text highlighter, which means you could first of all change a color and then highlight the text as easy as possible, so which is very easy to use. Apart from that, you could also add the text. Add a text on PDF document is one of the most commonly required feature that you may need to use. For example, before you add the text, you could change the text. You could change the text size, such as the extra size, extra large, or just to a small or medium size. So here I just enter something, for example, just like the small PDF editor. So if you want to change the color, just um, choose any color you hope to use. So it's very easy to use. After editing the text, you could drag it anywhere on your PDF document on the first page or second page in the sector. If you want to delete it, just press the delete on your keyboard. So in addition, if you hope to add some pictures on your PDF document, just choose this and add a picture in the document. You could also zoom in or zoom out the picture very flexibly and just add it anywhere in your PDF document to make the PDF looks amazing and stunning in the sector. If you want to delete it, just delete it. So these are some very basic features you may need to use when editing your PDF document. In addition to that, you could also try to use some advanced features. Just tap on this button. For example, you could compress the PDF document, convert PDF to PPT, or convert PDF to images, to Excel, or convert PDF to Word document, which is usually used for many people. If you hope to protect the PDF document, just tap on this button. You could also sign the document, or merge, split, rotate your document, etc. Here I will show you how to sign the PDF document with the Smallpdf online free editor. It may take some time. Sometimes this happens due to the network quality or condition. So just be a little bit patient. So after that, you could just create a signature with this online free editor. Just you could create a signature, draw your name or type your name, or even upload your already prepared signature. Here I will just draw my name, for example, the Rick Darlington. Just draw the name here. So Darlington. Okay, that's it. And if you hope to delete it, just tap on clear button. Now here I will just create it. So it will take some time to finish. So after finishing your signature, you could drag the signature anywhere in the PDF document. For example, I will just add it here at the end of the last page. Then you could just tap on the Finish or Save button. Please note, the Smallpdf free online editor only gives you 3 times to edit your PDF document for free. For example, signing the document or convert the PDF to Word or PPT into Sector. After exceeding 3 times of use, you have to purchase the Premier version. Now here I will just sign and finish it. So it is under uploading. It's finishing very quickly. So as you can see, 3 tasks remaining today for two times. You get 2 free tasks a day with the Smallpdf. If you want to get unlimited access, then you just have to select its premium version. So after that, you could just download your PDF document to your computer, or even save it to Dropbox or to your Google Drive in this sector. As I said earlier, you could use the Smallpdf online PDF editor to convert your PDF to PPT onto Word or Excel into sector. Here I'm trying to use it to convert this PDF document to Word document. So it's also a free PDF to Word converter. So it's finishing very well, as you can see. Your PDF file has been converted to an editable Word file. So you could just download it and export the file to your computer. But as I said earlier, the Smallpdf only lets you edit your PDF document for free for 3 times every day. I already use it for 3 times today, so I have to choose the Pro version to convert the PDF to download the file. But it doesn't matter, because if you could try it again tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So just 3 times for free each day. So in general, the Smallpdf is a very user-friendly online PDF editor. You could use it to add and test and some shapes or highlight your text, as well as compressing the document or convert the PDF to different file types, such as the PPT, photos, or Excel, or the Word documents, as well as merging and splitting the PDF document. If you have some better free PDF editors, you could also leave a comment and let me know.